Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add a collaborator on Shopify. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's say that you want to have an access with other shop or other store that is belong to one of your clients. How can you actually do so? First thing you should do is to sign in into Shopify partners, and this can be done by searching here in the search bar right here. You can type Shopify partners, then you will find this option right here. Click on it, then click on login. Then you can log in with your current email, as you can see. Now after logging in, what you're gonna do right now is to go to stores. Then it will show you this page right here, and as you can see, I have already this one right here, but this is because I have a new email just for the sake of the tutorial. Now what you're gonna do right now is to simply click on add store. Then it will show you two options. Click on request access to store. Now after that, you will find out that there is a store URL, so you have to put your client store URL or the link. Now then go down, and you should now select one of the permissions that you want, and you should read all these permissions carefully in order to choose one of these permissions that you want. So here in my case, I will, for example, choose the orders. I'm gonna manage orders and edit orders. Then I'm gonna also apply discounts, and I need also some draft orders, and for some reason I need some of the marketing options. I need to also do some modifications for the themes, so I need to edit the theme code. So I will check both options right here. Then I also need all these options. So you simply search for the options or the things that you need to do. Now after choosing all the permissions that you need, all you have to do now is to go to request access to store, and you can also send a small message if you need. But if you have already talked to your client, you don't need to send him a message because he will know that you will send him a request. Then click on request access to store. Now after clicking on request access to store, you will find out that you have the request as pending right now. And after he gave you the access, you can simply log in into his account or his store by clicking on login. Then you will be able to see or customize your client's store easily, and by this way you have created a collaboration with him. And if you also want to remove the access, you can simply click on actions, and you will find here option that's called remove access. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.